नमस्ते मेरे प्यारे बच्चों. Good afternoon my dear kids. How are you all? Hope you all are well. Okay my dear kids, welcome to online bridge course Hindi. We are going to study some basics about in Hindi and also some spoken also. Okay. All have to listen the video. Okay ma. Welcome to the online bridge course and we are going to study Hindi. What we are going to study? Hindi. Okay. First we will learn what is the basic in Hindi. We want to know the letters, isn't it? If we know the letters means we can easily read the words and all, isn't it? Read the words and sentence everything, and also we can know to speak also. So first we should know the letters. So letters means Varnamala, alphabets. Varnamala means what? Alphabets. Varnamala, under Varnamala two types will come. Swara, Vyanjan. What are the two types of alphabets? Varnamala, Swar, Vyanjan. Say with me my dear kids. Swar, Vyanjan. Swar means vowels. Vyanjan means consonants. Some students have maybe familiar with the letters and all, isn't it? Last year your Hindi ma'am maybe taught everything, but then even I'll teach something, only little I will remind you, okay? After that we can learn some spoken Hindi also. Okay, first Varnamala, under Varnamala what and all will come? Swar, Vyanjan. Swar means vowels, Vyanjan means consonants, okay? Then what are the swar letters? Is easy only, you know, isn't it? Can you say with me my dear kids? A, 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 e, u, u, er, e, I, o, au, aha. Okay, my mom's health is not well, then even please excuse me, okay, if I am making any sound or something means please cooperate with me. Okay, once again say with me ma. A, 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 e, u, u, ir, e, I, o, au, aha. Okay, a, e, u, ir, e, I, o, au, aha. Okay. Then say with me once again. Can you say a, e, u, ir, e, I, o, au, aha. Okay. Then Vyanjan. Vyanjan means consonants. Okay, what are the Vyanjan words? Letters. Say with me. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. Say with me. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. Cha, cha, ja, cha, nya. Ta, tha, da, tha, na. Ta, tha, da, tha, na. Pa, pha, ba, pha, ma. Ya, ra, la, va, sha, sa, ha, iksha, itra, inya. Okay, once again. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga, cha, cha, ja, cha, nya, tha, tha, da, tha, na, ta, tha, da, tha, na. Okay, once again. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga, cha, cha, ja, cha, nya, tha, tha, da, tha, na, ta, tha, da, tha, na, pa, pha, ba, pha, ma, ya, ra, la, va, sha, sa, ha, iksha, itra, inya. What is this word? Ja. Like this you have to identify the letters. Okay. What is this one? Ja. What is this one? Tha. What is this one? Ma. What is this one? Ka. What is this one? Pa. What is this one? La. What is this one? Nya. What is this one? Na. What is this one? Kha. Once again, can we read? Once again. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga, cha, cha, ja, cha, nya, ta tha da tha na, ta tha da tha na, pa pha ba pha ma, ya ra la va, sha sha sa ha, iksha itra inya. Once again, ka kha ga kha nga, cha cha ja cha nya, tha tha da tha na, ta tha da tha na, pa pha ba pha ma, ya ra la va, sha sha sa ha, iksha itra inya. Understood? Okay. Then we will go next to see if we learned the letters everything. After that we want to write the words, right? How we will write? Even only by writing the letters like ka kha and all will not come the words and all. So we need some signs and all to join the letters, right? So that we will tell us matrayam. What we will sell? Matrayam, symbols. Okay, like in Tamil and all we will say na, ik plus a, ik plus e, ik plus e, like that and all we will learn na? Like that in Hindi also it is there. So the matras means, see, for we will see for a, that one line like this only will come for a. For a, no matra will be there. Okay, for a, no matra will be there. Okay, nothing will be there. For a, we will say like one line and one. See, if we are keeping ka here, it will be ka, like that. Okay, so for a, that line will come. For e, left side line, left side this line will come, means that is e. This right side line will come, means e. So first one, this only one line extra we are keeping, means that is a. Left side line it is there, means e. Right side line it is there, means e. Okay, then u. For u, what will come? Down under the word you should like this you should keep, then it is u. Like this if we are keeping, means that is u. Okay, then ir also there. Okay, here ir is not there. Ir the reverse of c is no, the c if we are keeping down, that is ir. Okay, this is u, this is ir. Okay, then this is u. Understood? So first for a, we are keeping this one, e this one, e this one. For u, this one, u this one, then ir this one. Understood? First one a, e, u, ir. Then a. For a, up of the word on line like this, if it are keeping, means that is a. Then two lines if it is keeping, means that is I. Okay, two line on the up of the letters. Okay, two line it is coming. This is a, this is I. Then down on line and up on line it is there, means that is o. And down on line and two lines up it is ow. Understood? So this is a, I, o, ow. Understood? Then once again, for a, see here only one line. For e, left side line. For e, right side line. For u, this one. For u, this one. A this one, I this one, o, ow. Okay, for here also I taught na. For here we have to keep like C. Down of the letter we should keep ear, means that is ear. Okay, then see here that sign and first one line, then left side, right side, u, a, I, o, ow. Okay, then if you are keeping in with the letters, it is coming, means like this. See, if the letter is, if the if the sign is like this, and if you are keeping ka here, it will be ka. If you are keeping like this, means this is ki, isn't it? If you are keeping here on down on, if you are keeping ka and down on, this is ku. Ka, ku, ke. Okay, so like this, then kai. Like this, if it is coming, means that is the matra. So ka, Ka also will come first, okay? Ka, ka, ki, ku, ke, kai, ko, ka. Understood? Then, see if you are keeping cha there. Cha, chi, chi, chu, chu, che, chai, cho, chow. Like this it will come. So, if we are, see, we can see some words using this ka, ki, and all. Okay, see, using ka, one word it is kagas. So, this is the word. Isn't it? Kagas. Ki, kiran. Ki, kiran. Ki, keel. Using the matras, what the letters will come and words will come. That is only given here. Ka, kagas, ki, kiran, ki, keel. You should know the matras only. Okay, if we are keeping the matras like this, how we have to pronounce that only you should know. You don't want to learn the words and all that. We will learn afterwards. First you learn only the matras. How, if you are keeping this matra means this is, we should read this as if you are keeping this matra means we should read this as e. Like that we should learn. Here ku, kuchalna, ku, kutna, ke, kela. Then kai, kaisa, ko, komal, kon, ko, cow, con, kaun. Okay, like this. Then this one, this much you have to learn. Okay, first you know the matras, how the matras and all will come. That one you learn. Then we will go to the numbers. First we will learn, maybe you have learned already somebody. Then even we will remind something. Okay, I thought to give 1 to 15, but first we will learn till 10 only. Okay, say with me my dear kids. Ek 1. Ginti numbers. Ginti means numbers. Ek 1. Say with me. Ek 1. Do 2. Do 2. Teen 3. Teen 3. Char 4. Char 4. Panch 5. Panch 5. Che 6. Che 6. Sat 7. Sat 7. Art 8. Art 8. Now 9. Now 9. Thus 10. Thus 10. Okay, once again. Ek 1. Do 2. Teen 3. Char 4. Panch 5. Che 6. Sat 7. Art 8. Now 9. Thus 10. Once again. Ek 1. Do 2. Teen 3. Char 4. Panch 5. Che 6. Sat 7. Art 8. Now 9. Thus 10. Keep your fingers and say, okay, now one finger, ek 1. Then two finger you keep and say, do 2. Then 3 fingers, 3. Then 4 fingers, char 4. Then 5 fingers, panch 5. Then 6 fingers, che 6. Then 7 fingers, sat 7. Then 8 fingers, art 8. Then 9 fingers, now 9. Then 10 fingers, thus 10. Understood? Okay, learn this, okay, ma? To say you learn. Then we will go for some spoken words, okay? Spoken Hindi we are going to study. See here, some students, what they are doing. Can you say what they are doing? They are standing and wishing. How? What you will wish when your teacher is coming inside your classroom? What you will do? You will say, good morning, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Right? Isn't it? So, when your Hindi ma'am is coming inside your classroom, what you want to say? Do you know, instead of this good evening, good morning and good afternoon, what you want to say? We will learn, okay? See, we are good evening, good morning, good afternoon, having that name, same Hindi word is there. Then even we are commonly using one word. What is that? Namaste. What do you want to say? Namaste. Okay? Say with me. Namaste. Namaste ji. We will, if your Hindi ma'am is coming inside a classroom, you should say Namaste ji. Okay? Then after that, when ma'am will go after finishing the class, what you want to say? Thank you, ma'am. Right? In Hindi, what you will say? Dhanyavad. What do you want to say? Dhanyavad. Dhanyavad. What do you want to say for thank you? Dhanyavad. Okay? For namaste, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, you should say namaste. For thank you, you should say dhanyavad. What do you want? What is the Hindi word for thank you? Dhanyavad. Okay. Then for sitting, sit. For sit, what do you want to say in Hindi? Bite. Sit, bite, bite. Sit, bite. Sit, bite. Okay. Then for stand, ut. For stand, what you want to say? Ut. Okay. Stand, what you want to say? Ut. Okay. For sit, bite. For stand, ut. Okay. Then what is your name? How you will say in Hindi? What is your name? What you will say in Hindi for what is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What you will say? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? You should say, ask your mother, what is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? You ask your mother, you ask your brother, you ask your sister. Like that you ask. Okay, today you have to ask. What is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is that? Say with me. तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What will be the answer? My name is Jolin. My name is Lekshan. My name is Ishika. My name is like that. I don't know your names and all. Okay, you are new for me, right? So I don't know your names, but you have to say your name. My name is what is your name? मेरा नाम इशिका है, मेरा नाम लक्षण है, मेरा नाम लक्षणा है, मेरा नाम अफान है, मेरा नाम लाइक दैट एंड ऑल. यू हैव टू से योर नेम विथ मेरा नाम है, मेरा नाम लक्ष्या है, मेरा नाम लक्षणा है. लाइक दैट यू शुड से. ओके. माई नेम इज. व्हाट इज योर नेम? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? यू हैव टू से लाइक मेरा नाम, दिस वन. ओके. टुडे you have to say to your mother or father like this. You have to ask your parents, what is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? How will you ask? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Then they have to, if they are not answering means, tell them to ask to you. They will ask to you, तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? Then you will have to answer like मेरा नाम, like this and all. Okay, you should say your name in between this one. Okay, understood? Then see here, what is this? What you have to see, one picture is there. What is this? What is this? What is this? Hindi word for what? What is this? यह क्या है? For what is this in Hindi, what will you say? यह क्या है? यह क्या है? What is this? यह क्या है? यही क्या है? This is a pen. यह कलम है. For pen in Hindi what? कलम. Okay, for pen in Hindi we should say कलम. So यह क्या है? यू शुड आस्क यह क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? यह क्या है? यह कलम है. सो यह क्या है मीन्स व्हाट इज दिस? सो यू शुड आंसर लाइक यह कलम है, दिस इज ए पेन. यह क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? यह कलम है, दिस इज ए पेन. देन व्हाट इज दिस? यह क्या है? यह क्या है? दिस इज ए बैग. यह एक थैला है. यह थैला है. दिस इज ए बैग. थैला मीन्स बैग. थैला व्हाट? बैग. यह क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? यह थैला है. यह क्या है? यह थैला है. देन यह क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? यह क्या है? दिस इज ए फ्लावर, लाइक isn't it? यह फूल है. व्हाट इज दिस? यह फूल है. यह क्या है मीन्स व्हाट इज दिस? यह फूल है. फूल मीन्स फ्लावर. ओके. यह फूल है. यह क्या है मीन्स इन हिंदी इंग्लिश व्हाट इज दिस? सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? यह फूल है. यू शुड से आस्क योर मॉम व्हाट इज दिस? यह क्या है? लाइक दैट यू शुड आस्क. ओके. देन यह क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट यू आर सीइंग हियर? दिस इज ए बुक, राइट? दिस इज ए बुक. यह किताब है. फॉर बुक हिंदी व्हाट? किताब. फॉर बुक हिंदी व्हाट? किताब. यह किताब है. ओके. यह क्या है? यह किताब है. यह किताब है. देन यह क्या है? व्हाट इज दिस? यह एक कुत्ता है. दिस इज ए डॉग. यह कुत्ता. कुत्ता मीन्स डॉग. कुत्ता व्हाट? डॉग. कुत्ता, डॉग. यह कुत्ता है. यह कुत्ता है. व्हाट इज दिस? यह क्या है? This is a cat, right? Cat Hindi बिल्ली. यह बिल्ली है. Hindi word for cat बिल्ली. बिल्ली. Say with me my dear kids. बिल्ली. बिल्ली means cat. यह क्या है? This is a cat. यह बिल्ली है. Okay? Then see, the clock is far from the words, isn't it? So what will be that? What is that? You have to ask, what is that? If it is far from you, you have to ask, what is that? That. Still we were learning what is this, right? Now what is that? It is far from you, so you should ask, what is that? Vah kya hai? So it is far from you means that you should ask, what is that? In Hindi, vah kya hai? What is that? Vah kya hai? Vah kya hai? What is the picture? That is a clock, right? That is a clock. यह वह खड़ी है. What is that? वह खड़ी है. That is a clock. It is far from you, so you should ask like, what is that? Right? So that is a clock. Your clock also is far from you, isn't it? So you should ask, वह क्या है? वह खड़ी है. खड़ी means clock. खड़ी means clock. Then what is that? See, that first flower was nearby only. This flower is very far from, isn't it? So you should show the flower and said, what is वह क्या है? What is that? वह फूल है. What we learned for flower? फूल. You should say फूल. Flower, फूल. Okay. Then वह क्या है? What is that? That is a horse, right? That is a horse. In Hindi, khoda. Say with me my dear kids, khoda, horse. So वह क्या है? वह खोड़ा है. That is a horse. Okay, horse, khoda. Then what is that? That is a chair. So वह कुर्सी है. कुर्सी. In Hindi, what we will say in English? For chair, what we will say? Kursi. Okay, kursi. वह कुर्सी है. That is a chair. Then that वह क्या है? यह क्या है? वह क्या है means what is this? यह क्या है means what is this? वह क्या है means what is that? So वह यह. वह means that. यह means this. So you understood, right? Then we will go to the next one. Okay. Next one, like if we are starting the sentence with ma'am, if it will end with the whom. If we are starting a sentence with the ma'am, it will end with the whom. I am, ma'am, whom, I am a student, I am girl, I am Rajesh, I am like that, something, you are like that. So if ma'am is coming, it will end with the whom. And if तुम is coming, तुम कौन हो, तुम कैसे हो, तुम कहाँ हो. So if the sentence is starting with the तुम, it will end with the हो. It will end with the हो. Okay, तुम हो. You will learn with the examples. You see here, first one, तुम कौन हो, who are you? तुम कौन हो, who are you? तुम कौन हो, who are you? You will ask, I will ask, who are you? तुम कौन हो? How will you ask? तुम कौन हो? तुम कौन हो? If any stranger is coming, you have to ask, तुम कौन हो? Who are you? So he will say, मैं राजेश हूँ. His name he can say, I am Rajesh. मैं राजेश हूँ. You have to say your name. I am Lakshya hum. I am Lakshan hum. I am Rajesh hum. I am Giona hum. I am Fiona hum. Like that you can say. You say your name. Like I am Rajesh. मैं राजेश हूँ. मैं फियोना हूँ. मैं जियोना हूँ. Okay. Who are you? तुम कौन हो? So तुम, if it is starting with the sentence will end with हो. So तुम कौन हो? Who are you? मैं राजेश हूँ. मैं अफ़ान हूँ. I am अफ़ान. मैं इशिका हूँ. I am Ishika. मैं लड़का हूँ. And we can say that also. I am a boy. I am a boy. लड़का means boy. I am a boy. मैं लड़की हूँ. I am a girl. I am a girl. मैं लड़की हूँ. मैं छात्र हूँ. I am a student. छात्र means student. If student is boy, we can say मैं छात्र हूँ. If student is girl, you should say मैं छात्रा हूँ. Okay, मैं छात्रा हूँ. You can say ना. तुम कौन हो? Who are you? तुम कौन हो? I am a girl. I am a student. मैं लड़की हूँ, मैं लड़का हूँ, मैं छात्र हूँ, मैं छात्रा हूँ. Like that you can say. Okay? Understood? Then, तुम कैसे हो? How are you? Somebody will ask ना, तुम कैसे हो? तुम कैसे हो? How are you? तुम कैसे हो? You should ask to your relatives. You ask your grandma and all. You ask your parents. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? तुम कैसे हो? How are you? मैं कुशल हूँ. I am fine. मैं कुशल हूँ. मैं कुशल हूँ. And also we can say मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. Both we can say. Any which is easy you can learn. मैं ठीक हूँ. मैं कुशल हूँ. मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. मैं सुरक्षित हूँ. I am safe. तुम कैसे? How are you? If you are asking means you are safe means you can say मैं सुरक्षित हूँ. सुरक्षित means safe. सुरक्षित. Say with me my dear girls. सुरक्षित. Safe. सुरक्षित. I am safe. सुरक्षित रहो we will say. Stay safe. That is only stay safe. सुरक्षित रहो. Stay safe. Okay. तुम कैसे हो? How are you? मैं कुशल हूँ. I am fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine. मैं सुरक्षित हूँ. I am safe. Okay. So this much only is enough for today. Okay. I thought to take more and also I thought to add some stories also. But ma'am's phone some problem is there. So I couldn't finish. Okay. I couldn't take more. So next class I will take more. Okay ma. So don't want to worry. This much you try to understand and try to learn. And if you have any doubt, don't hesitate to call me. Okay. I'll send the worksheets tomorrow. I'll send the number of mine. Okay. So everything, if you have any doubt or any problem, any complaints is there in this video, you can share with me. Okay. Don't hesitate to call or text me. Okay, my dear kids. Okay, ma. That's all for today. Thank you so much. धन्यवाद मेरे प्यारे बच्चों.